I have a Samsung Smart TV, and in today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to fix the problem where your Samsung Smart TV will not turn on. You're stuck with a black screen like this one, and for some reason, the TV does not come on, you're not seeing any picture. So there are a couple of reasons why this might be happening, and I'll take you through a few of them to try and fix the problem you might have. So the first thing you want to do is check if you have the red standby light at the bottom of your TV. It's usually next to the Samsung logo. On this particular TV, it's right there in that corner, okay? So there's the Samsung logo and there should be a red light there. Now, if the red light is there, it means there is power going to your TV and your TV is probably stuck in standby mode. And so if you keep pressing the power button on the remote and still you're stuck on the black screen, what you want to do is try pushing the button next to the standby light. Okay, so right there at the bottom of the TV, there's usually a button. So you want to go up to your TV and try and press that button. And if the TV goes on, then it means the problem should be with your remote control. Either it's low on battery or there's something wrong with the remote and it probably needs resetting. Now, in case you still have the black screen and you're not seeing that red light at the bottom there next to the Samsung logo, which is a standby light, then it means you probably don't have power going to your TV. And for that reason, there are a couple of things you want to, for that suspicion, there are a couple of things you need to check. One is the power cable. So what you can do is unplug the power cable from the back of your TV, just pull it out and then give it about 30 seconds and then push it back in, maybe even blow some dry air into the port just to kick out any dust that might have accumulated there, and then push the cable back into the port and then check if the standby light comes on. Now, if it doesn't, then you might want to check on damages on the cable. That's the power cable. Check if it's damaged or if it's bent somewhere or it's cut somewhere. Just check for damages. Another thing you can do is if you have an extension cord, then you might want to unplug it from the extension cord and plug it directly into the wall. And this also applies to people who use surge protectors. You might have an issue with the surge protector, which is cutting power supply from the wall socket to the TV. So unplug the surge protector and plug the TV directly into the wall socket and try to turn it on. Now, in case the light or the standby light at the bottom of the TV is blinking, then that should indicate that there's a problem with the power level getting to your TV. It's either too high or too low, and there's something probably wrong with the wall socket or the cable. So you might want to try and plug it into a different socket, maybe a socket that you've verified using other electronics that it works properly. Try and plug it to another socket and check if you still have that issue. If you still have that blinking light, then this might be a problem of power buildup in the capacitors of your TV. And to fix that, you might want to power cycle your TV. And so to do that, what you want to do is first of all, disconnect the cable of your TV, disconnect the power cable, both from the TV and from the wall socket. And then you want to press and hold the power button for at least 15 seconds. Don't do it for 10, don't do it for 5. Make sure you do it for 15 seconds. So press and hold the power button. And that's the power button on the TV. This one right here. Okay. Right here at the bottom. Press and hold that button for 15 seconds. And then release. Let it stay for about 30 seconds. And that usually helps to drain out the excess power from the capacitors and maybe fix the problem you might have with your TV not going on. So once you do that, you can now reconnect the power cable and try turning on your TV. Now, if that still doesn't work, you might want to try using a different power cable. You can just go to your local store and get a cable that looks like the one you have for your Samsung TV. Make sure it matches in terms of voltage and power delivered to your TV. Get a good quality cable. Try and use a different cable. If that still does not work, you might want to try and disconnect all peripherals from your TV. So if you have any consoles or any other devices connected to the USB and HDMI ports of your TV, go ahead and disconnect all those and then try to power off the TV for a couple of seconds, maybe about 30 seconds, and then try and turn it back on. Now, if all those issues do not resolve your problem and you're still stuck with a black screen or a blinking red light at the bottom there, then you might want to check with your warranty provider and see if you can get it fixed. It could be a hardware problem. You might want to involve a technician. That is basically how to fix the black screen, or how to fix a Samsung TV which is stuck on a black screen. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck. Also, let me know in the comment section if you fixed your problem and which solution fixed your problem. Good luck, guys.